Good morning, friends. Now we are discussing the topic Facebook furor, F-U-R-O-R-E, or the ROW on Facebook dash BJP favor, because it has been coming in the press. So, initially on 14th of this month, on 14/8/2020, the famous Wall Street Journal of New York, actually they published an article against the Facebook India Public Policy Director, Mrs. Ankhi Das, stating that she is actually not interested in applying the hate speech rules, and she coming across the employees also not to apply the hate speech rules, because she says that she has to face certain problems. That means Facebook has to face problems from the BJP-led government or Modi's government. To be frank, I think now we have understood the issue. There was a hate speech, we have to say, right? That is by the hate speech by some MLA or MP or the party of some BJP party, for example. So the internal team, if they wanted to cut short the speech, then the Public Policy Director for India and Southeast Asia by name Ankhi Das, she did not support them. She asked them, okay, let it continue, what is there? Suppose if we start them, we will have a problem with the politicians. So this was raised. This was the allegation leveled against Ankhi Das or against Facebook in India. Now, you may be knowing the war of words started between BJP and Congress. Rahul Gandhi and others, they wanted to definitely have some joint parliamentary committee inquiry, all these things. Day by day there is a war of words between these people. Right? Now, let's know what transpired, what has happened. Who are those great people? Since they belong to our area, that's why I am making this video. Right? So please remember, there is an OC Ferris MLA by name T. Raja Singh representing Hyderabad city. He is an MLA, Goshamayal MLA Raja Singh. He says that Muslims are traitors, you have to kill them like that. He will be speaking whatever he likes. He will be arrested. He will be even the Commissioner of Police Anjan Kumar, he also has to go and actually start as an obstacle for him when this MLA wants to demonstrate something. So he was a very ferocious fellow. He used to talk whatever he liked. That is what is called his speech. Definitely, if you hear his speech, definitely he will incite violence among particularly among the Muslims. Of course, he was very vociferous. He talks in a fluent way, in a beautiful way. At the same, since he knows Hindi well, he talks beautifully. But at the same time, such speech amounts to hate speech as per the rules framed by the internal committee of the Facebook. Now, 3 more persons are there. I do not know them, want to name them. Since he is our man, we told his name. Anyway, so when such speeches are being censored, when they are being applying the hate speech rules, Ankhi Das, she stood an obstruction. She laid her hand in between and she said that don't do it, because she opposed, saying that if you start censoring the same, we may have to face some problems from the BJP leaders or from the party in power, like that. This is the allegation. Right? Whether it is correct or not, it has ignited the trouble. So both parties, everybody, so they will be speaking as per their convenience. Even the Facebook Analytica case, Cambridge Analytica case, it has come into existence, and all of them, even previous elections, at the time Pakistan incident, all these things have come to light. Anyway, so after the incident came to light, normally the trolling has started, the cyberbullying has started. So now Ankhi Das, she is the Public Policy Director of India. She filed a complaint with the Delhi police that she is extremely disturbed over the relentless harassment by the trollers. So the contents of the WhatsApp messages, whatever it is, they malign her reputation, and she is subjected to name calling, we say Ankhi Bharat, So name calling, cyberbullying, and online eve teasing. Of course, she is very bulky woman, whatever it is, but for teasing, she is subjected to all these things. So anyway, the Delhi police say, I think she has given the report on 15th or so. On 17th, they have registered a case of cyberbullying under the Information Technology Act, Section 66, 67. They have transferred the investigation. They have handed over the investigation to CYPAD, CY City. So cyber unit, you can know that it is as a cyber unit because in my previous video I told you in detail about the CYPAD, right? This one. Now the Congress government, the Congress party wants for joint parliamentary committee probe as the concerns raised by the Wall Street Journal are definitely very, very serious allegations. And of course, whether they are correct or not, definitely there has to be a probe. Is it not? But of course, BJP says these people want unfettered freedom of speech. Particularly, they have commented on the leftist people, and they say that the Anki Das did not support them. And of course, he also stated, one of the leaders stated that Mark Zuckerberg, who is the founder of Facebook, he will respond to, you would know, Mark Zuckerberg will quote Kapil Mishra's, but he says nothing on Sonia Gandhi of Aar Paar Ki Ladai fame. This Hindi, I don't know correct meaning. But anyway, the Wall Street Journal says, thus opposed applying hate speech rules to the BJP MLA T. Raja Singh and 3 others. Yes, they are fomenting the trouble. They are the internally the aggressing people. Of course, basing on this, so she has given a complaint. Now a counter complaint was also given by Avesh Tiwari, he journalist. Of course, he is accused in the case filed by Anki Das. So Raipur-based journalist Avesh Tiwari, right? He also filed a case complaint against Anki Das for allegedly hurting the religious sentiments and inciting the people. Because, of course, her actions are pro-BJP, her actions are pro-Hindu. So, this is the allegation. But whatever it is, so the Facebook India has come into controversy. It has been in the news for the past 4 or 5 days. The war of words between the politicians is going on. Even Shashi Tharoor says, MP, he says that they have to call the Facebook India head. She is only Anki Das to come before the Joint Parliamentary Committee and question her and grill her as to why she has to do all these things. And of course, definitely her defense will be that she has never interfered in the matters. Of course, but now it is learned, as it has been written in Hindu, that the internal committee, they have written a letter to Anki Das as to why she has to say that if we apply the hate rules, then we will be in trouble and we will not get any patting from the Modi's government. We may have to face the ire of or displeasure of the party in power like that. Why should you say like that? They have been, there are some internal discussions are going on. We don't know whether it is correct or not. These discussions will be there. But whatever it is, please remember, since it is a big organization, already Facebook is already under the scanner. Donald J. Trump, he doesn't like Facebook man. Of course, Mark Zuckerberg has to go and attend before the Senate at one time regarding that Cambridge Analytica case. Of course, since it is a business, definitely they will be there. That's why, please refer to my old case, not my old case, the case explained to you. So, Google and Facebook versus State of Delhi or Delhi and State of Delhi Administration, 2002. At the time itself, Mark Zuckerberg, he stated that we are only intermediary. We do not know what is happening. We do not know the mechanism how to separate the hate speech from the regular speech. And he said, then the Delhi High Court said, no, you have to devise a mechanism. Basing on that mechanism only, this problem has come. We do not know what is the mechanism. The rules they will not inform you. They will apply the rules, that's all, because Facebook, these social media platforms, they are self-regulatory. You can't impose certain regulations except as per section 69 of the Information Technology Act. Anyway, this is a good problem. The issue is rising up. Please follow the issue and develop your legal knowledge. Thank you.